Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to mute topics on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and now scroll until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section that is called privacy and safety. Now from here, select mute and block section and go to muted words. So now you want to tap add button in the bottom right corner of the screen. So now finally in this field, you want to enter main words and phrases that are associated with that topic. For example, if you avoid some kind of political event, you can enter a word that is related to politics, and so on. So you have to add each word as a separate entry. And also you have to select mute from home timeline and also notifications, decide and select mute from anyone and from people that you don't follow. So you can switch between them, and of course you want to set duration for how long that you want to mute something. It could be forever, 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. And finally, when you are ready, you have to tap save button in the top right corner of the screen. And every single time that you enter something new on X that you want to mute, it will appear in this muted words page. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.